Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Mike Bass, and I hope everybody's having a great Thursday out there and stay safe and well throughout the day, as it's going to be an active weather day over the southern portion of the United States from Texas to Tennessee. And also tomorrow, the main action looks like it's going to be mainly in the Ohio River Valley and portions of the southeastern United States. We'll break that down in today's forecast in just a little bit. I want to thank all my subscribers I got so far out there. Thank you for supporting my channel. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and if you're a new subscriber, if you're a new viewer and have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button today and get the numbers a climbing for me if you do not mind. I need some help from y'all. If y'all can help me out, hit the like button, share button, and also hit that subscribe button for me if you do not mind. Okay, in today's video, like I say, we're going to look at the weather radar. We're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center, the National Weather Service forecast chart, and also we're going to take a look at the watches, warning, and advisory map across the lower 48. Okay, well, let's dive on into the forecast now. We see mixed precipitation over the northeastern portion of the United States. Here's that cold little stall front here, warm front extending through North Carolina all the way back into portion of Texas. A low pressure system developing over central Texas will continue to lift off to the northeast toward the Ohio River Valley later on tonight and on Friday. We have mixed precipitation over here in the northwestern portion of the United States, and also some snow and mixed precipitation flying over here around North Dakota and South Dakota and Minnesota. Alright, let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center for day one. That's today's outlook. We got general thunderstorms in the lighter green. Darker green is a marginal risk. Slight risk in the yellow. Enhanced risk in the yellow-orange color. And also red means moderate. Okay, here are your cities and locations in the outlook area. Welcome to pause the video and find out what location is included in this outlook area. Alright, the tornado probability for today, we have 2% in the green, 5% in the brown. We have 10%. This is the highest risk area, a little bit higher. The significant severe weather will be Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. And if you in the 10%, 5%, 2%, you're kind of in the surrounding areas. Okay, wind probability, we have 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow. We have red is 30 and 45% in the pink. And a significant severe weather outbreak would be for Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. And anywhere in between, you are in the outlook area for damaging winds. Okay, hail probability. We have 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow. We have 30% in the red, 45% in the pink, and hashed area a little bit higher chance. And the significant severe weather would be Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. And in south, and 45% to 5%, you're welcome to pause the video and see if you are in that area as well. Alrighty, let's take a look at day two. Outlook, and the worst of the weather looks to be moving toward the Ohio River Valley. We have now most of South Carolina and North Carolina and Georgia has been shrunken just mainly to a marginal risk. The slight risk still include the upstate around the Greenville-Spartanburg area, back down toward Greenwood, and also over toward the Augusta metropolitan area. Atlanta, you're still in this slight risk, and to the northwest over toward Nashville, Tennessee, all the way up into Kentucky, and also over towards southeast Illinois and southwest Ohio is in the slight risk, and the enhanced risk is kind of over Kentucky and northern Tennessee. So if you're in the enhanced risk, be on the lookout for possible severe weather. And here's the cities located in the outlook area, you're welcome to pause the video and see what locations you are included. Okay, the tornado probability, 2% in the green, 5% in the brown. And here are the cities that are included. And you're welcome to, like I said, you're welcome to check out the cities, what is included. Alright, wind, 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow, 30% in the red. Here's the cities highlighted below. And if you're welcome to check out and see what location is highlighted in the outlook area. And hail is less than 5%, so we're not expecting too much hail probability there. So it would be mainly a damaging wind threat, maybe an isolated tornado anywhere in the marginal, slight, and enhanced risk area across the Ohio and portions of the southeastern United States. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the forecast chart for today. Well, like I said, here's that mixed precipitation over the northeast. We've got a trailing cold front extending all the way down into Texas. Shower thunderstorms over the southeastern United States back into Texas. We have some flash flooding possible over portions of the mid-south, and also portions severe weather possible from Texas into portions of Mississippi and Kentucky, Tennessee. Mixed precipitation from near Ohio all the way back south of Chicago, all the way back in near Norman, Oklahoma, all the way back into portions of New Mexico. Snow flying over a portion of Arizona into Denver. And then we have more mixed precipitation and snow over the northwestern portion of the United States from Vancouver, Canada, all the way back into northern Nevada and northern California. Alright, here's a look at Friday's forecast. Snow over Montreal, all the way over to a portion of Maine. Mixed precipitation from Boston to New York, all the way to PA, all the way back into eastern Kansas. Also, there may be some freezing rain possible over Chicago, Illinois, portion of Pennsylvania, all the way in southeast Iowa. Showers, thunderstorm, maybe some severe weather over the southeast and Ohio Valley. Flooding may be possible over the Ohio River Valley as well. Thunderstorms in the surrounding areas. And we have snow and mixed precipitation over the northwestern portion of the United States, producing some snow showers there. Alright, and as we head into Saturday's weather map, we have a few thunderstorms along a portion of Florida and the southeast coast off in the Atlantic waters. We still have mixed precipitation from Boston to New York, all the way back to Chicago. A little bit of a shower activity around the Philadelphia area, all the way down to Washington, D.C. Then we have more mixed precipitation, snow from South Dakota back to Vancouver, Canada, all the way back into northern California. San Francisco may get a little bit of rain shower activity and mixed precipitation over near Seattle, Washington area as well. And finally, here's a look at the watches, warning, and advisory map. As we see, there's that mixed precipitation. We have winter storm warning for one county, winter storm watches reported in New York and portions of Vermont. Also, winter weather advisory for Maine. Also, we have lots of wind advisories from Texas to West Virginia and portion of Illinois and Ohio. We have a flash flood watch for portion of Illinois and Ohio. And also winter storm watches for Michigan back into northern Illinois. We have flood watches also for portion of Missouri all the way back into eastern Oklahoma. Also, we have red flag warnings and high wind warning for portion of Texas, southwest Texas that is. Most of New Mexico is under a winter storm warning, winter weather advisory, and a few wind advisory. And over here in the northwest, California got a few winter storm watches, winter storm warning, winter weather advisory over Washington State, northwest Oregon, over to Idaho and Montana. Okay, that was a lot of the weather to discuss in this weather map. I hope everybody has a great Thursday. Stay safe, and don't consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope you watched the whole video, and we'll catch you back in the next one.